People, this is a DJ Rascal, and the first me I go try that YouTube video upload something. But that one I keep cross me today and I find it funny. So they say, we are going to say what we have to say about it. I just say what me I say. I know nothing more than just say what me I say. What me I say about that something. Now people, tell the people them are foreign where I send on the credit. Say them if you know the number where them are send the credit to. Because out of yard yeah, we no send back credit. You hear me? We say we no send back credit. Down here so the people them thirsty for credit like how them thirsty for food. So when you send the credit, you make sure at the right number. If a 81 or a 18, get it straight. Don't send no credit to no wrong number. Cause when that the credit they drop, anytime nobody get that the credit, it come like a Christmas any month of the year that. So you no try nobody call and plea and threaten nobody and try use no form of badness. Like you don't want them to bad more credit. Some people have a little good heart, and they might want to send them back all the bills out of the $2,000 credit, You're not thankful and praise Jehovah, because you never bound to get it back. So, you know, say people down here have a bag of smartphone, and then I no data plan. You see $2,000 credit drop. For them the people phone thirsty for credit, thirsty for data plan. Some people phone no see data plan for a month. When that drop, you not get it back. The point of the thing is, you know what I call, and I say, boy, you know, say a mistake, me make me put 1 instead of 2, and 2 instead of 1, or 1 in 8 instead of 8, 1. We don't hear the explanation. We is deaf to them something. So, me I tell you no, nobody try to go on like say you not understand. Just get the number straight from day one, and you not have no problem. That's all me I say.